Hello, and welcome to Crafting with Martha. It seems Martha has succeeded in deleting 1/4 of her video. One day we all hope and pray she will get the hang of it, but probably not. Please enjoy the last 3/4 of Martha's video.
So this has taken a lot of time for me trying to get this stuff going again. I ran out of space on my phone. No. Alright, so I got a pink. I'll get another. Now I get a, let's see. I'm going to do, I don't want to do white. I wanted my red. Where'd my red go? Come here. Pretty little red. I'll put him right here. And now I'm going to put in a little bit of this. This is some plants I got from Michael's in purple and pink. Let's see. What are they even called? Oh gosh. Ah, moss. It's moss. I always want to call it mold. It's definitely not mold. Although you could do mold if you wanted to. I, at least right now, do not want to. Put it in here. I want to make sure to get it in there so it's not going to stick up too much. No, I don't want any more of that. I want my Speedwell. These are so pretty. I love them. Speedwell are like little, they're pretty much like little weeds, but they make the cutest little blue flowers. It's so hard. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to put a couple of them in here. Well, not a couple. I think I'm going to put quite a few of them. I mean, geez Louise. Like, that detail is so cute. Okay, so now we got all of this. I'm going to put my Speedwells over here for a while. I'm going to get a little bit of gold. Because who doesn't like a little bit of gold? This is Recollection Specialty Glitter from Michael's. And it's already got the gold kind of squished up in here. Let's see. Yeah, I got enough. Alright. Here, I'll put it right here. Get out of here. Alright, well, you fell in there anyway. Alright. So, I like to kind of rip up my gold a little bit when I put it in. Finally. Alright, there we go. I think we might be done. I think we might be done with that part. Lord have mercy, it took forever. Let's take a look at it. Oh my goodness. There we go. There she blows. Come in a little closer.
We meet again, strange viewer. It seems Martha had neglected to tell you that this had been filmed over several days, and you should not try to put in resin in one thick layer and lay flowers within, for the flowers shall float to the top, and you will get an uneven surface. Martha is very sorry for not mentioning this to you earlier. Prithee, there should not be more interruptions.
Alright, so what this is it is Snow Day resin dye. It doesn't really say, oh, it's by the Lemino company. I know they've made a resin. I didn't really like their particular UV resin, but I like this dye. It works really well. So I'm going to put in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in here. I should have shaken it more. We'll see if that works. It didn't work at all. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Hey, yo, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Try it again, why don't ya? Okay, looking a little better that time. Yes, that's what I want. Better. I want it to be a little bit thicker. Not thicker, the white. I want the white to be just a bit thicker. Let's try this. If I put in too much, it's going to make the resin not be able to dry correctly. So I got to be careful not to put too much white in here. Are there bubbles? Yes. Is it that big of an issue at this moment in time? Maybe. But right now I'm going to go ahead and pour it. You see, my crafting room has an ugly green on it, and so in order for it to have a nice white, I have to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and see this looking nice. Ah! Right, there we go. I'm going to try and gently kind of move it over into these areas. I'm looking for bubbles. I'm looking for places where it might kind of rise up a little bit. I'm making sure that it is being covered by, that all the flowers are covering it. Honestly, though, I think it might be pooping a little bit. I think I might have poured a little bit too much. And so I'm just going to take it and kind of shovel. Oopsie babes. I'm going to take it and kind of shovel it back in a little bit. Alright, now normally I would go and go over it with a heat gun, but I'm going to go ahead and just use this to pop some of these bubbles that you see in here, because I don't want these bubbles, and this guy is so close. I don't want to burn the edges, but I don't want it to slosh out because I think it's just too thin. It's going to slosh out if I use this hair dryer. I'm going to make my flame a little bigger. There we go. Alright, so it's a little smoother. If I use this too much, then it will, the mold is going to go and melt into this resin, and I do not want that to happen. So, Let's look at you still trying to get out. You little devil. You little devil dog. You see, I want it to be a nice, even little mold, but it's trying to kind of trickle out a little bit over here. So let's not and say we do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this into the bathroom, and I'm going to go and let it dry.
Oh, wow. Oh, man, I love it. Ooh, this is going to look really good. Oh my gosh, guys. This is going to look so cute. I'm going to make 1,000,000 of these things. Oh my gosh. See, what I've never done before is do half, clear resin here and then have the back be white. I didn't know how that would, turn out. I didn't think it would be very, opaque, I wanted to not be able to see through it. And I was hoping that the green would not be seen, but I can't, I can't see my fingers through it. I totally thought I would. So I think it's going to look absolutely marvelous. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. Yes. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and send me a comment and let me know what I figure out. Let me know what you want me to do next. She wants some lovin', so I'm gonna give her some lovin'. All right, bye.
Martha forgot everything. Martha's voice is really hoarse because she's been teaching all week. Background music, background music. Take a breath, Martha, don't forget to breathe. La 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 la. Background music. Thank you for watching me. Oh.